In this video, we will show the best non-stick tawa available to buy. At number 10. Sumeet Granite Finish Non-Stick Tawa. It is made of aluminum die cast which distributes heat evenly throughout the pan. Even heat distribution and excellent heat retention. At number 9. Nirlon Non-Stick Aluminium Tawa. Aluminium non-stick cookware with superior quality 3-layer non-stick coating and exterior coating, cool touch and strong handle. At number 8. Anjali Platinum Flat Mutli Deluxe Tawa. The high-quality aluminum utensils with PTFE non-stick coating, backlight handles for fire resistance. Dimensions, cm, 37.5 x 30 by 0.30. At number 7. Tosaa Non-Stick Concave Tawa. It is made from heavy-gauge aluminum with slide non-stick interiors. It has superior non-stick interior coating for perfect heat conductivity. At number 6. Hawkins Futura Non-Stick Dosa Tava. It is made from high-quality aluminum with a unique patented process. High-quality non-stick German coating. Locked firmly into the tough hard-anodised surface underneath. At number 5. EuroSleek Non-Stick Dosa Tawa. The wooden spoons are ideal to be used with the EuroSleek Non-Stick Dosa Tawa as no damage is done to the non-stick coating of the vessel while turning the food. At number 4. Prestige Omega Select Plus Non-Stick. The 3-piece non-stick cookware ideal for cooking a variety of dishes. Gas stovetop compatible. Scratch and abrasion resistant technology. At number 3. Pigeon by Stovekraft Special Non-Stick Aluminium Flat Tawa. This triple-layered, scratch-proof greblon non-stick coating formulated in Germany. Strong and sturdy cool-to-touch handle. At number 2. Prestige Cookware Induction Base Roti Tawa. This black-colored roti tawa with Perma-cool handles is perfect for those who want a faster, safer and more efficient process of roti making. At number 1. Amazon brand, Solimo Non-Stick Tawa. It is made from 100% virgin aluminium from Hindalco, one of the biggest and the most reputed aluminium producers in Asia.